so funny. Let's do again. Today we're gonna do one of my favorite Thai recipes. It's gonna be papaya salad.
Papaya salad. If you're the type that's been eating pad thai and maybe pad siu, you gotta upgrade up. Som Tam. That's what papaya salad is called in
Som
Thai.
Tam.
Som Tam.
Okay, so here we go. Som Tam time. You're supposed to do that with me.
Okay, that's the intro.
So traditionally, you will use pestle and mortar, but today we have our own pestle mortar. Pestle and mortar. Let's go. No problem. We're gonna start with 1 big clove of garlic. Put 2 if you have small ones. 1 tablespoon of roasted peanut in.
And then in Thailand, they have the bird's eye chili, which is like this long. It's pretty spicy. If you use that, which is the more authentic, use 2 of it. We're gonna just use the one in our fridge. This is the Korean hongochu, and we're just gonna use 1.
My sous chef.
I don't know why I'm always the sous chef. Get all the gold coins you see, quick, before someone steals them. Good. Put it
Are you
in.
mining? The key ingredient, we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of dried shrimp.
They sell it at Korean or Asian supermarkets. This not only seasons our sauce, but just adds a layer of umami, guys.
Half teaspoon of brown sugar.
If you don't have brown sugar, use white sugar. And note here, in Thailand, they use palm sugar.
This reminds me of the whole new brown sugar bubble tea craze in Korea.
Yeah, that's being sold everywhere. I don't think it's that tasty.
And there are lines for it too on famous ones.
I don't think it's that tasty.
It's too sweet for me.
Yeah, me too.
Now we're gonna use our pestle and grind them.
We're basically breaking up the oils that are inside. I think you can do this in a blender as well.
Alright, the dried ingredients are good, ready for the next step. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Give it a little roll first. Slice it in half. Sous chef!
Oh my gosh, I think I'm the main chef. And you know there's a lot of flavor in the skin. We should also throw it in.
2 tablespoons in. That's 1. 2. Very well done.
And then bloop, bloop, bloop.
How many?
That way they know we use real lime.
Fish sauce. There's 1.
Mix all of that beautiful flavor.
맛있다.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. Perfect balance.
Ooh, I like it, y'all.
Guys, look at our beautiful green papaya. It's so cute.
The one I seen in Thailand, they're a little bit skinnier and they're like this big. But we basically want how many cups?
Grab a speed peeler.
Peel the outer skin first.
By the way, guys, if you don't have papaya, you can use green mango for this one.
This looks extremely fun, and it is.
It looks extremely out of ordinary.
Yeah, and the thin strips, they're quite nice. Just make thin shavings.
Oh, is that how you do it?
Yeah,
That looks really fun.
look at it.
Let me give it a taste.
It's nice, huh? Ultimate stress reliever until you accidentally chop your hands. Alright, then that's more stress. So again, be conscious of what you're doing.
But Daniel, this is gonna take forever.
Alright, plan B.
But what's the shape gonna be? Let's see. Let's check it out. Comes out really thin though.
Yeah.
It's not as fun. I like some diversity
Alright,
in
we'll
our shape.
Alright, we'll do one like this and then you can do the other one. Oh, so funny. While Katie's busy, I just want to show you the inside. Look
Oh
at
my
that.
gosh.
Guys.
벌레야?
Take a look at the inside. Looks kind of nasty, huh? They're like white seeds. Yes.
Yeah, it looks like bugs inside.
Alright, I think this is good enough. That's 1. That's 3. That's 4.
This is around 4 cups of papaya. I'm gonna mix this up with the dressing now.
Oh, a few more accessories we gotta add. And then in the traditional Som Tam, the green papaya recipe, they use long beans. And these long beans are, well, long. And they're very soft. You can just break them apart. But we don't have that here in Korea. So I'm substituting that with green beans. I'm going to blanch this in hot water for 1 minute.
Okay, so we're gonna chop the cherry tomatoes. 6 of these.
And this is going to add some juice to our sauce as well. I think they're soft enough where you can just tear. Yeah.
Tear it with hand.
Yeah, like that.
오빠, 토마토가 아니라 토마토라고 해. I wanna use the British English.
Alright.
Just slightly squash them, enough to get the juices out of them.
Add our green beans in. Papaya.
In!
Woohoo! You get your soup ladle out. This is your second weapon. Guys, we just want to pound it in just so the flavors can combine together. Give it a taste.
Mmm.
It's good, huh?
Mmm.
I think it's just slightly bland. I think we need just maybe 2 or 3 pinches of salt. Let's do 1 and 2 pinches of salt.
Okay.
Guys, at this stage, if you want to add a little bit more lime, that's fine. If you want to add a touch more of fish sauce, that's fine. It's up to you. It's all up to your palate. Oh, that's amazing. Guys, if you're an expert in Thai and you like that kind of fishy taste, you know how we put in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce? Increase that to 1.5 tablespoons. And you'll get that sort of more fishy sauce aftertaste. This one, you barely even notice it. So, the leftover soup, and just spread it over the top. 1 bite, and you're gonna feel like you're in Phuket. And then you're gonna start craving green curry. And then some patsuyu. Actually, I want some green curry now.
Me too.
Oh
with the
God.
coconut.
Yeah. Oh man. This is more like an appetizer, y'all. Woo! And then we gotta do a little close-up, of course. Put a little bit of our shrimp. Guys, this thing is the MVP. You must put that in or else no flavor. Alright. Katie, do the honors.
Can I take the top part?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Can you... It's refreshing, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
So refreshing. Like my mouth is like waking up to a
Yeah.
whole new world right now. It's dancing.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you are gonna make it, like I said, don't forget those little shrimps. If you don't, no good.
Yeah, I like the fun of finding those shrimps actually. It's good.